Hi guys, my name is Sarah and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm bringing you another fabulous tutorial. I always feel like I say a fabulous tutorial, but I feel like everything I do is fabulous. Anyway though, if you like this look, if you want to achieve this look or just want to watch something fun, I have done two different things for you today. Kind of, sort of three. It may be two separate videos. First, I did my makeup. Then I styled my hair. But before I did all of those things, I colored this wig to this funky little color. And I recorded myself doing it. So there's a little tutorial at the end of this. Holla! Thank me later. You're welcome. I'm going to show you my makeup. I'm going to show you my hair. And I'm going to show you what this hair looked like before. This is the hideous wig with this hideous color. Really not doing anything for me. I can't do side swept because I don't like side swept. So I think I'm going to just do bangs and then cut this and give it more shape. Just wait. You just wait. And I wore that hot mess out and my friends informed me that it was a hot mess. And so I knew that I had to do something else to this wig. And I hope that you will stay tuned and watch how I achieve this look. Holla! Oh, also, before I go, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, basically, holler at me, follow me on social media, reach out to me, share love. If you have a terrible comment to share, please don't. Okay, that's all. I've had enough of myself. See you guys later. I start off using my Chi flat iron, which is just a 1-inch ceramic Chi flat iron. But I end up switching to my 1.5-inch extra long barrel Hot Tools curling iron because I wanted to just move very quickly. And I usually use my flat iron, but I wanted larger waves this time while I was styling. This curling iron literally saves my life, people. Like when I have clients with long hair or when I'm just like wanting the perfect wave, this is the tool to use. I literally love it. I don't have a 360-degree mirror at this apartment, so I just use the mirror on the vanity and the mirror on the back of the door to finish styling the back of my hair. house trip with my sister and our girlfriend Jamila to South by Southwest last year in March. That's how long I've had this wig made and have not uploaded this video. It is now January 2018 and that was March 2017. I should be ashamed of myself, but I'm not because I've been wilding out. But anyway, I made this wig and wore it to South by Southwest, so I figured that I would put a couple of snaps in from that trip because that trip was super poppin'. Stay tuned. Jobs all day long. If you're in Austin, I got it. God, this is a photo shoot. You want to be part of our photo shoot? Oh my God! Oh my God! Yes! Oh my God! Yes! What's your name and where you from?
Stephen Collier's fucking LBC, bro.
Yes, bro. That was a little bit of South by Southwest. You guys know that anytime you have a really good time at a party, a vacation, whatever the case, whatever the event, you always come back with no freaking pictures. And that's the exact same thing that happened. Like, all you see is like daytime pictures because at night we got pretty litty and things got pretty crazy. But without being too vain, let's get into this tutorial because I was looking pretty popping on that trip, but I had to stop. I couldn't let you guys see every picture. So we've now come to the part of the video where I walk you through what I did, or at least just show you what I did to this wig. I kept it pretty light. I did a purple shadow root throughout the top of the wig, but everywhere else the roots were already dark. So I just painted in deeper colors towards the roots, lighter colors towards the ends. I used orange towards all of the bottom of the wig because I wanted it to be pretty light underneath, pretty orange underneath. And then for the like roots and mid shafts to all be like hot pink. Keep everything pretty blended. I didn't want any harsh lines like last time. So stay tuned, watch what I do. Blah, 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 I'm done talking. Like any other time you do hair color, I began at the nape of the neck and I just made sure that everything was like thoroughly saturated. That's why you see me using my fingers a whole lot and making sure that I work every single bit of color all the way in through the hair. So this is actually the section I was talking about, the shadow root. Ignore the fire alarm in the background. I'm sorry, I'm at my friend's house and it's just really noisy here. But I took the deep purple color that I had and dabbed it at the root, making a pretty blunt line with that purple and then making sure not to blend it down further into the hair because I didn't want the root to seem 2 or 3 inches long. I really wanted it to be about an inch and a half. So you'll see me keeping that purple pretty tight in on the root to give a really good shadow, but it makes it look nice and natural as well. as much as you can look natural with fucking hot pink hair. Oh my god, you can see all the highlights that I tried to make. I was making them real chunky because I just got super tired of working with this hair. I highlighted it at least 2 or 3 times trying to break through that level 7 or 8, and it just would not freaking break. And eventually I was like, okay, I am really just drying this hair out. Let me stop and just put some color over this because it's not gonna get a soft blonde. It just doesn't even want to work with me. So instead I just chose warm colors so that they can just cover right over the orange that was already there. Why not cover orange with more orange since you want to be a level 7 anyway? Stupid wig. I was really pissed off. Here is another example of how to do a shadow root. I wanted mine to be an inch and a half, like I said, so I try to keep it pretty tight in there. A blunt line, but not really too blunt. And for some reason I was using the like deeper magenta raspberry color. But basically what you want to do is paint the shadow root in exactly where you want it, and then add the lighter colors underneath, making sure not to blend the darker color down too much. With everything said and done, this is exactly what it looked like, with pink towards the roots, some magenta stripes throughout, and mostly orange highlights with the purple shadow root. It looks like a hot mess, but I let it sit for like 6 hours and it turned into a masterpiece. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy hair.